Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Thorough Loan Company. Today we're going to install and spotlight the SRM 500 flat roof rack from Go Rhino on this Jeep JL. The SRM 500 65 inch is a perfect solution for rooftop cargo management and offers endless possibilities for mounting options. So let's check it out. The 4-core crossbar system creates 4 channels on each crossbar, allowing you to mount most accessories for quick and easy access. The extruded mount system works with quick fist clamps or quarter 20 hex bolts, so standard hardware can be used. Paddle boards, kayaks, bicycles, a rooftop tent, or trail tools. No matter what your next adventure requires, if you can name it, it can be mounted on this rack. Along with various mounting options, this rack also comes with many tie-down points to safely secure your gear, store bags, and tools. Both the front and rear panels on this rack have pre-drilled holes for mounting lights, allowing for full lighting customization. Aircraft grade aluminum with custom injected molded reinforced nylon junctions add maximum strength and minimum weight and ensure your rack is protected from Mother Nature. Along with the rack, Go Rhino also provides a set of 4 Rhino clamps. These clamps are designed to mount the rack to any aftermarket crossbar system. However, if you do not already have a crossbar installed on your vehicle, Go Rhino's rain gutter mounts are the perfect option. This is what we have installed today. The rain gutter mounts are an easy way to mount your rack to any vehicle with rain gutters, and there's no drilling required. We recommend using these with steel rain gutters. This rack is 52 inches wide by 65 inches long. Go Rhino also manufactures these racks in lengths of 55 and 75 inches. We were able to get the 65-inch rack on here and still use the Best Top Sunrider. Thanks for watching today as we installed and spotlighted Go Rhino's SRM 500 65-inch platform style roof rack on this Jeep JL. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to tune in every Friday for new products, installations, and spotlights like this.